Hello everyone, so today we will proceed with our house, and in this tutorial we will try to create let's say a wooden pattern or something like that. Great, let's select our object, expand it into our Hypershade. We have a blend material, expand it, and this is our house material. We have a snow not assigned to main shader. Great, so let's move to our 3D textures. And I don't know, but let's use the layer texture as always. And we need a ramp texture as well. Great. So select them both, move it to the side a bit. And I don't know, we probably did not use the crater texture, so we can try to introduce that texture too. Okay, so what we'll do next, we need to hook up them. That's it. We need to assign them. Okay. I hope that you can see it. Okay, so I will select the layer texture and throw the crater texture and the ramp texture. And ramp texture I will throw it to the left as a primary thing, and the crater as a secondary, as a base color. Yeah, great. For a snow, I will select the surface color. Just click it in order to get the color to the history tab. Okay, and for a crater, I probably will change all these colors to the same main color, which you can see right now on the house, the lighter one, the brown lighter one. Okay, so let's try to check how it will look with this color, with this particular colors which we can see right now. So select the snow node and throw the layer texture to surface color. Great, awesome. So what we can see the radiant, the ramp on our house. So I will just move alpha to 0 in order to eliminate the ramp there and work firstly on the crater. Great, select the crater, select the colors, and I will use that brown one from our history tab. Great, as you can see, it's the same color right now, and we can play with the values a bit. Try to look at the sampler, as in the viewport, as you can see, it's looking very strange. Okay, let's increase the melt, or maybe decrease it. Okay, play with a balance. Want to have, yeah, bigger frequency. Great. I'm trying to make in here like a wooden pattern or something like that, you know. Okay, so what we will do, we will check how it will look in the rendering engine. So let's press our IPR and just wait, and we'll check what kind of starting point we have. Alrighty, let's play a little bit with our colors, as it's definitely too dark. This from IPR. Okay. I'll probably move a bit to the lighter side. Okay, something like that, and we can see that this, let's say, almost perfect frequency which we want to have we cannot have. So we basically had only the colors which are very, very blended. Yeah. Okay. So was one, probably 1, 2. Okay, let's leave the shaker on the tune. And what we will do next, I will go to the ramp, or I will go to the texture layer. I will enable our ramp color. And I don't know, maybe I will even do multiply. Okay, so I will select the ramp. The ramp, good, linear. Okay, let's stay for now on default. And just crank the noise and the noise and the frequency. I will probably add the waves. And as you can see, they perfectly move to the house. I mean, the ramp colors visible pretty great on that house. Yeah. And right now it looks like a stylized, let's say, wood. And it's great, really great. Definitely the spacing is not the greatest one. However, you can try to play with that too. Okay, I'm still just playing with that area. So, we don't have much choices. So let's select everything. Let's go to the UV vent and do the projection. Let's select which axis will be Z. Throw it on the Z axis. Great. Let's open our UV editor. And yeah, I will select one by one, probably from the top one. We'll just move it down. Well, like that. Okay. I'll select another part. Everything is cool on that one. And for the doors, I believe it's cool too. And the size is pretty equal. Great. So we have signed this wooden texture. Now we need probably to blend it. Definitely, if you want to be perfect. Okay, let's select everything. I will isolate Ctrl 1, and I will do the same thing probably with these two parts. And we need to go to the UVs planar mapping. Only right now select the X, red axis X. Yeah, great. As you can see, we have a great placing in here. Okay, for this area again, Z axis. Yeah, just throw it. Okie dokie. So for top one, let's select the top and move the bottom. I mean UV shell to the bottom. Great. And if you want to understand and learn more about UVs, you can go to my previous tutorial, which is unwrapping and placing UVs. So you will understand, let's say, basic information how to play it, how you can use the automatic UVs, and how to do it manually as well. Okay, so let's unhide everything, and right now we have this wooden texture placed on our house. I'm pretty happy, so I will expand again our Hypershade. I will go to the layering textures on our ramp, and probably I will reduce the visibility a bit of the wood. I don't know, I'm just checking, just playing with that. Whoops, wrong slider. It can be subtle, but I like, to be honest, when it's pretty heavy. Let's see. Okay, let's try to do a render and let's check this out, how it will look in the render. Okay, probably in here it looks pretty heavy, but when we will apply everything, I mean fog everything, check this out. Looks like we cannot see the fog. Okay, but in general, I like the texture. I like that looking fun for me and looking a bit better than that plain, color. So what did we learn? How to use that noise texture, let's say, in the ramp, and how to get the different effect of a ramp texture. Great. So let's stop it in here and move to another tutorial.